Whoa, something pretty big just happened in the precious metals market. On October 11th, 2025, the prices of both gold and silver shot up. And we're talking about a surge that was significant enough to make everyone, from casual buyers to serious investors, really stop and pay attention.
So, this brings us to the big question, right? If you were maybe thinking about buying gold or silver today, well, this sudden price hike completely changes the math. What do you do now?
All right, first things first, let's break down the actual numbers so we can see just how big of a leap we're really talking about here. Let's start with gold. In a single day, its price climbed by up to 550 rupees for every 10 grams. Now, that's a jump that anyone looking to buy would definitely feel in their wallet.
But, if you think that's a big move, just wait. Take a look at silver. It absolutely skyrocketed by a staggering 3,000 rupees per kilo. That's not just a hike, that's a market-shaking surge in just one day.
Okay, so let's zoom in on gold for a minute. To really understand that price jump, we have to talk about purity, because, as you know, the carat makes all the difference in the world.
Here in the Hyderabad market, you can see exactly how purity plays out. The 22-karat gold jumped by 500 rupees, but the purer 24-karat gold saw an even bigger increase of 550 rupees, pushing its price for just 10 grams over the 124,000 mark. Wow. And hey, don't think this is just a Hyderabad story. Oh no, these same price hikes are hitting major hubs all across the region, from Vijayawada to Visakhapatnam.
As significant as that gold jump was, it was really just the opening act. The real headline grabber today, that was silver. That's right, the move in silver wasn't just big. It was the kind of explosive, unexpected jump that completely redefines a trading day. And yeah, it definitely caught a lot of people by surprise. So what does that surge actually mean for the final price tag? Well, a single kilogram of silver in Hyderabad is now going to set you back a massive 1,87,000 rupees.
Okay, now here's where things get really interesting. You might assume the price is the same everywhere, but things like local taxes and demand mean it's not. So let's compare two of the country's biggest markets, Hyderabad and Delhi.
Now, if we look at 24-karat gold, the price difference between Hyderabad and Delhi is tiny. We're talking just 150 rupees. Pretty consistent, right? Well, that is not the case for silver. Now look at this. The difference for silver, it's not 150 rupees. It's a staggering 10,000 rupees. Seriously, the exact same kilogram of silver costs 1,77,000 in Delhi, but it's 1,87,000 in Hyderabad. That is a huge variation that depends on nothing more than your location. We've covered a lot of ground and some really big numbers, so let's just cut through the noise and boil this all down to the key takeaways. So here's what you absolutely need to remember. Both metals saw a pretty big price jump today. For gold, it was up to 550 rupees. But silver? Well, silver stole the show with that massive 3,000 rupee surge. And maybe most importantly for anyone thinking of buying, where you are matters. That price difference between cities can be absolutely huge. All of this volatility leaves us with one final, crucial question aimed directly at you. In a market that can surge this dramatically overnight, what's your next move? Do you jump in, get out, or maybe just wait on the sidelines to see what happens next?